Okay, we made it! 1,000 subscribers! This is so great! I'm so excited about this. It's been, I think, like a year, a month, and a day to when I put my first video up on this channel that I've been doing with this project, this Mustang that I've been working on. And it's one of those things where 1,000 subscribers just seems like it's so far away. There's so much to do. And now that we're, a little over 13 months into it, it just seems like it's finally just coming around to get to this point. It's such a major milestone for my channel, and I'm just so excited that you guys have helped me get there. The comments that you guys have given on the videos, the questions you've asked. I mean, there's been a ton of you guys that have asked questions about your car, maybe some direction on where you could go with it, or parts that you can buy, where to buy the parts, what part numbers. And being able to help you guys out has been the best part about this project on this car, is seeing other people kind of get past that hurdle of, where do I go next? What do I need to do with my car? Because I was right there with you not that long ago. So for this contest, I want to do one like I did last time. On the 750 subscribers video, I did 2 Craftsman tool sets. I want to do 2 gifts, 2 prizes this time again, just like last time. I'm going to do this Craftsman 61-piece tool set. Actually, it's the same one as the last one, the last contest. But this time, the grand prize, or the better prize, if you want to look at it that way, is this Milwaukee, this battery-operated ratchet. I wanted to do this actually for my first contest, but it was a little more expensive than what I could afford to do at the time. So I've been kind of holding off and waiting for a big milestone like the 1,000 subscriber contest. And so what you guys have probably seen this in my other videos, or the videos of working on my car. I use this guy quite a bit. This is one of my favorite tools. Being able to get in areas and not where you can't, do the wrench in this thing is perfect. I love this tool a lot, and I'm thinking maybe you guys would love it just as much. So if I could give this away to one of you guys, that'd be perfect. So what I have here is this. It's the 3/8 inch ratchet. The 2457-20 is the part number on it. And what this is, it's a brand new tool. It's still in the box. In fact, it's sealed. Yeah, I can't even get into it, but it's in here. It's going to come with, the 2 amp battery, but I also including a 4 amp battery, and that's actually the battery that I have on here. And I haven't charged this battery in, gosh, it's got to be at least 6 months since I've charged this battery, and I use this thing a lot. So this 4 amp battery works great. And then charger and the bag to go with it. So just like the last one, we'll use that comment picker website that I have done in the past. And what I'll do is I'll just pick one comment for this one, and then we'll pick another comment for this one. But real quick, I want to cover Craftsman, Milwaukee, and YouTube. I'm not affiliated with any of them with this. This is, again, I paid for this out of my pocket for these prizes to give to you guys. These companies have nothing to do with it. This is all on me. And there's no purchase necessary. Like the previous contest, you don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to give me any of your information. You don't even have to subscribe to my channel. Although, again, I do appreciate if you guys do subscribe. It does help me out, but it's not required. And all you have to do to win is comment on this video. Just like previous contests, just comment on this video, and that's all you have to do. That way you don't give any of your personal information up. I don't know who you are, and there's this most transparent way I can think of to get people to enter into this contest, and then we'll pick 2 winners, and then we'll give them the prizes. You also have to be 18 years or older, and in the past I did just the United States. I'm gonna extend that to Canada, include Canada as part of this now. But any other country, we can't do that. In fact, the last contest, one of the winners was from the UK, from England, and that's actually, it was this tool set was the one that he was supposed to get. And I worked a different deal out with him, and but really, guys, I need you to be United States or Canada to win this contest. Also, in the comments below, don't put any personal information. You guys can comment whatever you want. You could just say thumbs up or thanks or great video, or I wish you would do this in the video. Whatever you want to say, doesn't matter. Just put something in the comments, and that will put you in the list when we do that random comment picker It'll pull from those, and just like the previous contests that I've done. So the contest dates are from right now. This video is live, it's ready to go. You can go ahead and start commenting right now on the video. And we're gonna run it all the way till the end of next week, which I think is the 30th or something like that of September, the end of the month. And I'll do just like I have done in the past, where in the late afternoon, I'll record me picking the comments, and then I'll put that video together and put it up, and then you guys can see who the winner is. So that's all it takes, guys. That's all you need to do. Just comment on this video, and then you're entered to win in the contest. And then when we do the drawing, I'll use that comment picker. We'll pick 2 comments, one for this tool set and one for this ratchet set. And those will be the winners for the contest. Again, thank you guys so much. This is awesome. This is a really, really exciting time. To 1,000 subscribers is such a major milestone for my channel, and I'm so excited for it. And I really appreciate you guys subscribing and commenting below, and I do appreciate it. Thanks for sticking with me. We'll see you in the next one.